Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening File Explorer with Win+E. This saves time right away. Once there, make sure File Explorer opens to Quick Access by going to View Options and choosing Quick Access. Pin a frequently used folder by right-clicking it and selecting Pin to Quick Access so it appears on the left instantly. You're doing this to reduce clicks and get predictable navigation. Set syncing in settings so pinned items follow you across machines. Once you've pinned a few folders, tidy the list so you see only essentials. Right-click any pinned item to unpin or rename for clarity. You can drag a folder directly into Quick Access to pin it faster, which is quicker than navigating menus. If Quick Access gets noisy, open Folder Options and clear File Explorer history. This removes recent files while keeping pinned items. You do this to maintain speed and avoid scrolling. Fewer items means faster selection when you're in a hurry. You finish by learning quick keyboard moves. Win+E opens Explorer, Alt+D or Control+L focuses the address bar so you can type a path without clicking. If you want to replicate Quick Access elsewhere, jot down folder paths or sync via your Microsoft account. There's no direct export button. If Quick Access stops updating or shows wrong items, reset File Explorer history from Options, and if needed, restart Explorer. EXE and Task Manager. That usually fixes stuck pins and restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.